Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad to start drawing. Create a new note with the plus button or open an existing note. Tap the pen icon at the top to reveal the sketch toolbar. Use an Apple Pencil or your finger to draw directly on the canvas. If you have Apple Pencil too, double-tap switches tools instantly. Make sure Notes has permission for Apple Pencil in settings if prompts appear. Choose between pen, pencil, and marker from the sketch toolbar for varied strokes. Tap a tool and adjust thickness and opacity using the size and opacity controls. Use the color picker to pick precise hues from the palette or custom color wheels. The eraser removes strokes, and the lasso selects regions for moving or resizing. Use a 2-finger tap to undo a mistake and a 3-finger tap to redo any change quickly. When you finish, tap Done to embed the sketch into your note and save automatically. Long press the embedded sketch to move, resize, or copy it inside the note. Tap the Share icon to export the sketch as an image or PDF for other apps. Choose Mail, Messages, or AirDrop to send the file directly to a contact. Reopen the sketch later to continue editing by tapping the embedded image and selecting Edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.